clipping. So clipping is nothing but clipping in a computer graphics process to remove the lines, objects or line segments, all of which are outside the viewing region. Okay, so why we need to have a clipping? Ninga clipping அப்படின்றது என்னன்னா, so unnecessary portions which is comes outer of, so we are going to remove it. That is called as a clipping. So when we are having this, in the sense when we are going to take some window into the viewport, ஸோ ஆக்சுவல் சீனரியிலேருந்து நீங்கள் ஸ்னாப் எடுத்துகிட்டு அதை டிவைஸ் கோஆர்டினேட்ஸுக்கு நீங்கள் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறப்ப ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக என்ன ஆகும்னா, சம் ஏரியா வில் நாட் பி லைஸ் ஆன் யுவர் த பர்டிகுலர் ஏரியா, that selected that area will be clipped out. So any procedure that identifies those portion of a picture that are either inside, outside of a specified region of a space is referred to as a clipping algorithm or simply clipping. So unnecessary portions of picture which is not inside, which is not comes under into the frame, it will be removed. So there are different types of clipping we have in computer graphics. So one is a point clipping, another one is a line clipping, and third one is a polygon clipping, curve clipping and text clipping. So these are all the clipping types we have. We'll see then. Point clipping. So point clipping is used to determining whether the point is inside the window or not. So for that we have to check the condition. You just look at this, you are going to point in the sense nothing but a pixels. Okay va, or point vachingna, what it represents, it represents the coordinate value. It will give x and y values. That means a point p equal to x comma y for display if the following inequalities are satisfied. So it has to satisfy the conditions. You can see here bottom x minimum, x maximum, this one also y minimum, y maximum. okayங்களா? So in the conditions குள்ள உங்களோட given point has to be done. You can see x ன்றது இந்த point ஓட x comma y, x should be like less than or equal to x maximum. That is our condition number 1. okay, x should be greater than or equal to x minimum விட greater than இருக்கணும். And y it has to be less than or equal to y maximum, and y it has to be greater than or equal to y minimum. These are all the 4 conditions a given point, so it has to satisfied, where xw, x window minimum, y window minimum, x window maximum, y window maximum are the edges of the clip window. So these are all the edges. We have 4 coordinate values: x minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum. That's it. Here you can see x and y oda maximum here. Okay, so நீங்க கிளிப் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணனும்னா, உங்களோட பாயிண்ட் வந்து எந்த இடத்துல இருக்குன்றதை we should have to check based on the conditions. If the condition is not satisfied, then the point will be clipped out. Next one, this is how the line clipping also. So line clipping we should have to test a given line segment to determine whether it lies completely inside the clipping window. So உங்களோட line வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா inside the windowல இருக்குதான்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணணும் based on the conditions. If it does not, we try to determine where it lies completely outside the window. So if it is not there, definitely it will be like outside of the window or else the partial. So if we cannot identify as a line as completely inside or completely outside, we must perform intersection calculation. Which one are more clipping boundaries? So some line வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா, some crossed இருக்கும். So some portions will be inside, some other portions will be outside. That time we need to scan, we need to apply intersection calculation. So it is performed by using the line clipping algorithm. So as I said, we have different line clipping algorithms are there. One is a Cohen-Sutherland line clipping and a midpoint subdivision. Midpoint subdivision தான் நம்ம எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, பாதி லைன் உள்ளேயும் பாதி லைன் வெளியில இருந்ததுன்னா we can go for it. And Liang-Barsky line clipping algorithms. These are all the 3 types of line clipping algorithms we have. We'll see then. Okay, Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm, you can see, which is very easier because it has some techniques. How do we can find whether your line is crossed or else whether your line is completely inside or completely outside. Some portion of your line is been inside or outside. Cohen-Sutherland algorithm is a computer graphics algorithm. It is used for line clipping. Okay, the algorithm divides 2-dimensional spaces into 9 region. So 9 region அப்படின்றது என்னன்னா, top, above, okay, below, so and bottom, or else you can take it as top, bottom, below, above, or else you can take it as top, bottom, right and left. Okay, two-dimensional spaces into 9 regions, then efficiently determines the lines and portions of the lines that are visible in the center region of interest, the viewport. That is a viewport. So inge parunga idu vandu x oda minimum, okay va, that one should be the x oda maximum, this y oda maximum, idu y minimum y maximum. You can say here itself x minimum y minimum, y maximum x maximum, xy maximum. So ninga in center la pathina, so all the values will be like 0 0 0 0 because it does not represent top, it does not represent bottom, it does not represent right or middle, right or left. So this one is right, this one is this one is left, this one is right, and this one is a top, and this one is a bottom. Okay, here bottom left, okay, left, bottom left, bottom right, here top right. You just look at this, top, bottom, right, left. This you have to assign for the 4 values based on the segments, based on the portions. If your line being crossed, you can see top left, then no, there is no bottom, there is no right. So you know, while I'm saying that you couldn't get, but while you seeing the examples you can get it like, okay, here you can see region code creation. Bit 1 இதை represent பண்ணதுனா left, sorry, you can take it as left. You can assume anything like, but while you filling that number based on the directions, you have to mention it like left 1 என்றது left, 2 என்றது right, 3 என்றது below, and 4 என்றது above. Okay va? So likewise you can set it up. So inga interior என்றது இந்த values, interior obviously என்னவா இருக்கும் 0 0 0 0, x minimum and x maximum, y minimum and y maximum. Okay, so x should be greater than x minimum. X definitely எப்படி இருக்கணும், x ஓட minimum ஓட அதிகமா இருக்கணும், and should not be exceed more than the x ஓட maximum, and y should be greater than y minimum, and it should not be exceed than the y maximum. So that's the value. You know, these are all like 0 என்றது left na, there is no left, right na, it is also not right, it is below. So this value has to be assigned based on the region code. We can assign it like this one, like you can say, you know, top 0 na, is it's not in the top, but you can see bottom or below, bottom or below, you can give 1 na, it is comes under below the window, and there is no right, there is no left. Likewise you can assign here, it is seems to be like you know, below and right. This seems to be like no top, no bottom, no right, only left. So this you can see only the top, rest of the values will be 0. This one you can say only the top right, there is no below, there is no left. This you can see no top, no below, only the right, there is no left. That's it. Okay, so Cohen Sutherland you know, line clipping, these are all the things you should remember. We have to calculate the intersection point using the slope intercept form. So we know the slope value m is equal to like you know, delta y by delta x. So delta y by delta x என்றது என்ன, like y1 to y1 minus y0, or else y2 minus y1. Likewise we know the end minus starting point. Likewise we can calculate the slope value, and we should find the x value and the y value. X and y da nama select panna pora, like the coordinate value which it has the dot or line. So that should be calculated by using x1 plus y minus y1 divided by slope value, and y is equal to y1 plus m into x minus x1, the x1 values. So by using this you know, equations, we can easily calculate whether the lines intersection point. ஒரு லைன் வந்து இங்க பார்ஷியலா நான் உங்களுக்கு இன்சைட்ல இருக்கு, பார்ஷியலா அவுட் சைடா இருக்குன்றதை நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்னா by using this equation. Okay, example பாருங்க, you can see a line. So a ன்றது ஒரு coordinate value, b ன்றது another coordinate value. a ஓட values என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா -4,2. ஓகேவா? b ஓட values என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா -1,7 இருக்கு. So இங்க என்ன portions இருக்குன்னா some portions insideல இருக்கு and two separate portions are comes outside. So இங்க x ஓட maximum value வந்து 2 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, y ஓட maximum value வந்து 6 இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? So உங்களோட ஏரியா எதுக்கு இல்ல இருக்கணும்? So greater than or equal to greater than minimum value and less than or equal to maximum value. So இதுதான் உங்களோட line, it's crossed the window and some portions are outside. How we are going to clip, we'll see. So first பாருங்க bit 4, bit 3, bit 2 and bit 1. So bit 4 என்றது என்னன்னா top, bit 3 bottom, right, left. So this is what I just want to tell you, TBRL. So TBRL உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருந்ததுன்னா we can easily fill the values. For example, this portion க்கு என்ன values பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1000, ஏன்னா டாப் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும், மற்றது எல்லாமே ஜீரோல இருக்கும். இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா டாப் லெஃப்ட், so 1001. so இந்த ஏரியா பாத்தீங்கன்னா just middle right, so we don't have anything like, so here will be taken as like 00 0010. this is only representing the right, it is not like a top bottom, so 0010. okay, that's it. sin y minus y max, so இதுதான் டாப், இது வந்துட்டு பாட்டம், இது வந்து ரைட், இது வந்து லெஃப்ட். ஸோ இப்போ பிட் வந்து ட்ரூ இஃப் சைன் வந்து கிரேட்டர் than or equal to 0. உங்கள் பிட் சைன் வந்து எப்போ ட்ரூனா greater than or equal to 0, ஃபால்ஸ்னா less than 0, உங்களோடது less than 0ல வரக்கூடாது, greater than or equal to 0ல இருக்கணும். ஸோ ஃப்ரம் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட் கோட்ஸ் டு லாஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட். ஃப்ரம் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ன்றது என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா a ஓட வேல்யூஸ் வந்து -4,2. ஓகேங்களா? சைன் வேல்யூ நீங்கள் என்ன எடுத்துருக்கணும்னா y மைனஸ் y மேக்ஸிமம் பாருங்க. y ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்கு? y ஓட வேல்யூஸ் வந்து எனக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2 இருக்கு. y ஓட மேக்ஸிமம் வேல்யூ இங்கே வந்து மைனஸ் y மேக்ஸிமம் வேல்யூ எனக்கு வந்து 6 இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு டேக் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த ஃபார்முலா y மைனஸ் y மேக்ஸ். y ஓட வேல்யூ 2 to 6. ஸோ ஹியர் யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் 2 to 6. 2 minus 6 less than 0. Then we are going to take y minimum value minus y value. Y minimum is equal to 1. 1 minus y order values what we have here in 2. So 1 minus 2 also less than 0. Then third thing, x minus x maximum. X என்ற value minus 4, x maximum ன்றது like 2. Minus 4 minus 2 less than 0. Sin ஓட last பாருங்க, x minimum value minus x. X minimum வந்து minus 3, minus x order values வந்து minus 4. Minus 3 minus of minus 4 will be plus 4. Then we are getting positive value. Then your line will be comes under no top, no bottom, no right, only the left. So you can see here. So this area will be representing 0, 0, 0, 1. So you can see here in the previous picture. Okay, sorry. This area, if your lines comes under this area, it represents 0, 0, 0, 1. அப்படின்னா top இல்ல, bottom இல்ல, right இல்ல, left இல்ல. So that's it. Okay, then you can see that the continuation I'm going to tell you, like your lines lies in this area, it represents 0, 0, 0, 1. Top 0, bottom 0, right 0 and left. Okay, next வந்து we are going to calculate from end point closest to the last point நம்ம calculate பண்றோம். last point எப்படி calculate பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா y minus 6 and y minus 1 and sin of x minus 2 minus 3 minus x. This you have to apply for it. Then we will be getting the values called 1,000. 1,000 na 1 represents the top, rest of the values are representing bottom, right, left. So இங்கே உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்குன்னா 1,000. So this area will be finded out. This is also some portion of the lines in the coordinate value, the end the line oda end வந்து outside la irukன்றத it will be directed. Then so summary of end point goes to the last point. A and B. A ங்கிறது நமக்கு 0001 and B ன்றது 1,000. So finally we will be getting like 4 times 0 na, this is the portions, we are getting some portions. Okay, then the first bit is true and that the line was cut at the left edge. So இந்த line நம்ம கட் பண்ண போறோம். இங்க இருந்து 000 வர வரையும் 001 ல இருந்து 4 times 0 வர வரையும் we are going to cut it up. So how do we are going to cut it up in the sense? By using this formula. We should know the slope value and y minimum less than or equal to 11/3 and less than or equal to y maximum. So இங்க பாருங்க x equal to x minimum. X minimum நமக்கு வந்து என்ன values இருக்குன்னா 1 ன்னு இருக்கும். So அத வந்து x values நீங்க calculate பண்றீங்க, that is -3. ஓகேவா? So -3 அப்படின்றது என்ன? We have x minimum value that will be taken for x. and y is equal to y1 plus m into x minus x1. Okay va, so in the formula use பண்ணிட்டு we are going to calculate the y value. Y ஓட values பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 2 plus 5 by 3 into minus 3 minus 4, we will be getting finally as 11 by 3. 11 by 3 கிடைச்சிருச்சா. y ஓட minimum value வந்து என்ன எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா lesser than 11 by 3 and maximum value should be less than or equal to maximum value. The left is cutting edge. Sorry, some portion of the text is not visible. I'll be show it next. Okay, afterwards we are going to remove the b portions. So 1000 bit 4 is true because this is the portions the line was cut at the top la nama cut panna porom. So idu vandu just left la mattum idu top la. So adukku vandu y equal to y maximum value vandu 6 namakku theriyum. X equal to x1 plus inga x oda value calculate பண்ணிட்டீங்க 8 by 5. So inga x oda minimum value எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா less than or equal to minus 8 by 5 ஆ இருக்கணும் and the maximum value should be greater than இதை விட greater than இருக்கணும். Point to be cut the edge வந்து minus 8, 5 to 6 வரையும் உள்ள line, minus 8, 5 to 6 reach ஆகிற line வரையும் we are going to remove it. Okay, so finally once we have done the removal, so நம்ம எதிலிருந்து எது remove பண்றதுன்றது தான் minus 3, 11 by 3. minus 3 லேருந்து 11 by 3 வரையும் நம்ம இங்க remove பண்ணணும். இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா minus 8, 5 லேருந்து 6 வரையும் we are going to remove it. So finally we'll be getting the line which is laying inside the window. Okay, so the applications of 2D clipping. So extracting part of a defined scene for viewing. So intersection values calculation and the line clipping, which is so similar to midpoint line clipping algorithm also. Okay, so inge pathina applications enna irukuna extracting part of a defined scene for viewing. So நீங்க என்ன பார்ட்டை நீங்க வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண போறீங்க ஒரு சீனரியில இருந்து. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு குரூப் போட்டோ இருக்கு, உங்களோட போட்டோ மட்டும் நீங்க எடுக்க போறீங்க அப்படின்னா that is called as viewing. How we are going to take that photo and how it's going to be into the camera. That's it. Identifying visible surfaces in 2D views. Okay, visible surfaces நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றது நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது 2D clipping யூஸ் பண்றோம். Then analyzing line segments or object boundaries. So object boundaries nama select பண்றதுக்கு we are using 2D clipping. So some portions might be like blurred இருக்கும், that will be removed. And creating objects using solid modeling procedures. So for that also we used 2D clipping and displaying a multi-window environment and drawing and painting operations that allow part of the picture to be selected for copying, moving and erasing and duplication. So for this purpose we used 2D clipping. These are all the applications of it. And the conclusion, okay, when we have a good clipping strategy, it's important to develop a development of video games in order to maximize the game's frame rate and visual quality. So frame rate increase aga you can get the picture clarity and the intensity of the picture is really good. So how do we can reduce it in the sense with the help of some clipping algorithms. Despite GPU chips, graphics packages in it, right, that chips that are faster every year, it remains computationally expensive to transformation texture and shade polygons, especially with the multiple texture and shading passes common today. So hence game developer must live within a certain budget of polygons that can be drawn each video frame. It means like when you use polygons, so polygons is nothing but it's a closed surface without having any shapes. So we simply used to draw a polygon with the help of the lines alone. So line the connected and the sequence of lines or number of lines will be there in the polygon which is in a closed area, that is. So instead of using many, if you are going to use this algorithm, definitely the budget will be reduced because of this. That's it. We'll meet in the next video.